Most SUVs look reliable, but mechanics know which ones truly last. This video shows the 7 SUVs they buy with their own money. Wait until number 1. It's not flashy or new, but mechanics keep choosing it over and over because repairs are affordable. It stays simple, and it lasts for years. Starting at number 7, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that has earned a solid reputation for consistent performance and long-term reliability, making it a favorite for both mechanics and everyday drivers who want a vehicle that doesn't complicate ownership. Its engine is naturally aspirated, avoiding high-strung turbo setups, which makes it simpler to maintain over tens of thousands of miles. Mechanics often point out that this engine design, combined with a traditional automatic transmission, allows for predictable service schedules, fewer surprises, and easy access to replacement parts. Suspension and braking systems on the CX-5 are straightforward and durable, which keeps repair costs manageable, especially when compared to more heavily equipped modern crossovers with complex electronics. Owners report that routine maintenance like oil changes, brake replacements, and fluid flushes are simple tasks for most shops, which means fewer labor-intensive repairs over the vehicle's life. In addition, Mazda has kept its design consistent across recent generations, which helps ensure that mechanics are familiar with common wear points and repair procedures, reducing the chance of unexpected failures. While it may not offer flashy features, this simplicity is exactly what makes it trustworthy in the eyes of technicians. From a usability perspective, the CX-5 is well balanced for city driving, daily commuting, and occasional long trips. Its fuel economy remains competitive for a small SUV, and the chassis design provides stable handling without requiring complex adaptive systems that often fail or increase maintenance costs. Mechanics frequently highlight that the CX-5 combines durability, ease of repair, and a quiet, efficient drive, which is why many of them choose it as their own personal vehicle when reliability and predictability are top priorities. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 is not just a practical crossover. It is a vehicle built for consistent performance and minimal long-term surprises. Number 6. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a compact SUV that stands out because of its consistent performance and simple mechanical setup. Its engine avoids high-strain turbocharging, which keeps both maintenance and repairs predictable. Mechanics repeatedly note that the CR-V's drivetrain is straightforward, with well-documented service procedures that make oil changes, brake maintenance, and transmission checks easy to perform. Suspension components are durable and accessible, which keeps labor costs lower compared to SUVs with complex adaptive or electronic systems. The layout of its engine bay and chassis is designed so that common repairs do not require expensive specialty tools, which is why shops can handle most issues quickly and affordably. Owners consistently report that the CR-V runs smoothly in daily driving conditions and handles highways, city streets, and light cargo tasks without excessive wear. Parts are widely available, and replacement components are reasonably priced, which reduces long-term ownership expenses. Mechanics also emphasize that the interior systems, climate controls, infotainment, and standard electronics are simple enough to prevent costly surprises, unlike some modern crossovers with overcomplicated touchscreens or semi-autonomous systems. From a usability standpoint, the CR-V provides a comfortable ride with predictable handling and a balanced weight distribution that reduces strain on suspension and tires. Its fuel economy remains strong even in older models, and its braking system has a proven track record for consistency under different road conditions. Overall, the Honda CR-V continues to be a favorite among technicians and owners who want an SUV that combines practicality, mechanical predictability, and lower long-term maintenance demands, without sacrificing space, comfort, or drivability. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a compact SUV that has earned a reputation for reliability and practical ownership. Mechanics highlight that its engine and transmission setup is conventional, avoiding high-strain turbocharging or complex hybrid systems in most trims, which helps reduce unexpected service issues. Routine maintenance such as oil changes, brake inspections, and filter replacements is straightforward, and parts are widely available at reasonable prices, making repairs accessible in almost any city or town. The RAV4's suspension system is durable and uses widely understood components, so both small repairs and more involved replacements are easier for technicians to perform. Many owners report that it maintains consistent handling and fuel efficiency even after years of commuting, highway driving, and occasional longer trips, which shows the design focuses on balance rather than over-engineered complexity. Mechanics also point out that the interior electronics and infotainment are simple and less prone to failure compared to many competitors that use overly complicated screens or semi-autonomous driver aids. This makes servicing or troubleshooting easier and keeps costs predictable. Additionally, the RAV4 has a stable track record across multiple model years, meaning that repair patterns are well documented, and mechanics can quickly address common wear points. Its weight distribution and chassis design are optimized for comfort and control without putting unnecessary stress on engine or suspension parts. Owners looking for a daily driver, family SUV, or commuter vehicle can rely on the RAV4 for consistent performance while avoiding major surprises. Overall, the Toyota RAV4 blends practicality, simple mechanics, and proven long-term durability, which is why it remains a top choice for mechanics when they think about vehicles they would trust with their own money. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a midsize SUV that offers a balance between space, performance, and long-term dependability, which makes it a favorite among mechanics and families alike. Its V6 engine uses a straightforward design without forced induction, which reduces stress on internal components and keeps routine maintenance predictable. Mechanics often highlight the Pilot's conventional transmission and well-organized engine bay, making common repairs like oil changes, belt replacements, and brake servicing more manageable and less expensive than many modern SUVs. Suspension and chassis components are robust, with widely understood wear patterns that allow technicians to address issues efficiently, keeping repair time and costs reasonable. Many owners report that the Pilot maintains steady fuel efficiency, predictable handling, and reliable braking performance over long periods, whether on highways, city streets, or carrying heavy loads with passengers and cargo. Interior systems, including climate control and basic infotainment, are designed to be functional without unnecessary complexity, reducing the likelihood of electronics-related repairs. Parts availability is excellent, meaning replacement components can be sourced quickly and affordably almost anywhere. Mechanics also note that the Pilot's design emphasizes durability and accessibility rather than flash, which helps it avoid common failures that plague more complicated SUVs. Its consistent build quality across multiple model years allows shops to anticipate common service needs and address them efficiently, contributing to predictable ownership costs. Overall, the Honda Pilot provides space, comfort, and proven mechanics that make it a vehicle mechanics would trust for themselves, combining usability, long-term durability, and service simplicity into a single package. Number 3. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV designed for families who want reliability and ease of maintenance. Its engines are naturally aspirated in most trims, avoiding the complexity of small turbo setups, which keeps repair work straightforward and predictable. Mechanics frequently point out that its transmission and driveline components are well documented, making both routine and occasional repairs easier to handle than many modern crossovers. Suspension components are durable and accessible, which allows service technicians to replace worn parts without expensive or time-consuming procedures. Owners consistently report steady performance for daily commuting, highway driving, and carrying passengers or cargo over long distances, with fuel efficiency remaining consistent across multiple model years. Interior systems such as climate control and basic infotainment are simple enough to reduce the risk of electronics-related repairs. Replacement parts are widely available, and labor for common repairs is typically reasonable, which keeps long-term ownership costs predictable. Mechanics appreciate the Highlander's balance between space, ride comfort, and mechanical simplicity, allowing it to handle family and lifestyle demands without introducing unnecessary complexity. Its chassis and weight distribution provide stable handling while reducing stress on engine and suspension components, further contributing to long-term reliability. Overall, the Highlander delivers a combination of practical design, serviceable systems, and proven durability that mechanics respect, making it a strong candidate for those seeking a dependable SUV without premium brand price or complications. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is a full-size SUV built on a body-on-frame platform, giving it a rugged foundation that supports heavy loads and extended driving without excessive wear. Its V8 engine is naturally aspirated, avoiding high-strain turbo systems, which keeps mechanical issues simpler and predictable. Mechanics highlight that the Sequoia's drivetrain, suspension, and brake systems are straightforward, meaning repairs and replacements are easier to perform and less costly than in many modern SUVs with complex electronics or hybrid drivetrains. Owners report that the vehicle handles long trips, towing, and family hauling consistently, with few surprises when routine maintenance is performed. Parts are widely available, and there is extensive knowledge among technicians regarding common wear patterns and repair procedures, which makes servicing more reliable and efficient. Interior systems are practical and functional, avoiding unnecessary tech that can fail and increase ownership costs. The Sequoia's large size does not come at the expense of durability. Instead, its robust frame and proven mechanical design allow it to remain steady under heavy use. Mechanics often cite the Sequoia as a personal choice because it combines comfort, cargo space, towing capability, and predictable maintenance, making it a vehicle they trust to keep running smoothly. With solid construction, simple mechanical systems, and wide serviceability, the Sequoia consistently proves itself as one of the most reliable large SUVs, suitable for owners who prioritize long-term dependability over flashy features. And finally, the number 1, Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner tops this list because of its proven body-on-frame design and straightforward, naturally aspirated engine. Mechanics repeatedly choose it for personal use due to its predictable maintenance, widely available parts, and durable suspension. It handles daily driving, long trips, and heavier loads without introducing complicated systems that often fail in modern SUVs. The 4Runner's design focuses on reliability and practicality, making it a vehicle that continues to perform consistently over time while keeping service costs manageable.